Hey guys, Andre. This is for my own custom method video. I basically made a main method here. This is a very simple program. What this is going to do is going to calculate change based off however much the user inputs as far as the amount taken and the cost of the item. And then it's going to calculate that change. So without further ado, as we go down here, I set up my class. I just called it main because it's going to be my main class. And then I set up two fields, amount taken, and then a double change. These fields are going to be private, so that way they're only accessible through this class, and no other class can make changes to these. Um, then I go into my main constructor, or to my constructor, I should say, and then I go ahead and initialize amount taken and change to 0. So that way now I don't have to worry about initializing them again. I can just use them throughout the class. Then I go into my getter, which is a get change, which is going to look at the change, and whatever value that is going to return that. Next up, we have our setter, which is the set change. And what this is going to do is going to take two parameters. One's called cost, one's called amount taken, and is going to subtract the amount taken from the cost, and is going to put that value into the double change. Coming then further down, I have a method that basically is going to calculate the change. And again, I put two parameters. I put cost and amount taken. And now all I have to do is just put the setter in there. And because I already set the parameters as cost and amount taken, I'm going to go ahead and put these parameters as its arguments in the set change. And then I'm going to print out the get change, which is going to look back to see, check whatever value of changes, and it's going to print that out onto the screen. And as you can see in my main method, I went ahead and called on the make change method. I put in the cost being $100 and the amount taken $200, and over here it calculates the $100 change. And that is my method, or I'm sorry, that is my class.